Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Domino's Pizza app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Domino's Pizza app is one of the most popular food ordering platforms designed to make pizza delivery and pickup faster and more convenient. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full menu, customize pizzas with their favorite crusts, toppings, and sauces, and track their orders in real time with the famous Domino's tracker. It also supports multiple payment options, including digital wallets, and offers features like saved favorites and easy reorder for frequent customers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth interface, accurate order tracking, and quick delivery updates. The loyalty program, Domino's Rewards, lets users earn points with every purchase, redeemable for free pizza and exclusive deals. The app also provides local offers, coupons, and contactless delivery options for extra convenience. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional glitches during checkout, app crashes, or incorrect delivery updates in certain areas. Also, customization limits for some deals and region-based availability can be a minor inconvenience. In summary, the Domino's Pizza app may be worth using if you frequently order pizza and want fast ordering, real-time tracking, and rewarding loyalty benefits. However, if you prefer dining in or face issues with app stability, you might find traditional ordering just as convenient. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.